Are you looking for the best Chimineas? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best Chimineas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Eschert Design Chiminea. Eschert is another small brand that specializes in developing reliable chimeneas. This FF109 Chiminea is the smallest, lighter, portable, and most compact option on our list. This is a perfect option for outdoor use, like a small terrace, patio, or deck. The Chiminea-shaped top of this fire pit is designed to funnel smoke upwards, rather than out to the sides. Its cast iron construction will ensure its durability, longevity, and reliability, while its small mouth opening can accommodate wood logs up to 14 in size. It is easy to assemble and does not require any complicated steps. The 8.5 pipe features ventilation holes to ensure even burning, and a removable rain lid is included to cover the mouth opening. This Chiminea is used for both fireplace enjoyment and cooking. Overall, the Eschert Design FF109 small terrace heater is ideal for making small outdoor spaces cozy and warm due to its durable, compact, and portable construction, and its ventilation holes allow for easy burning. However, its drawback is that a small chamber won't allow 8 length and is not designed to use for large yards. Number 2. The Blue Rooster Chiminea. Looking for an efficient, safe, and stylish outdoor fireplace for your deck or patio? The Blue Rooster Prairie Fire Chiminea is a top choice. With its large mouth opening, you can easily add 14 fire logs and enjoy a full view of the fire. Plus, its hinged safety door makes it easy to add wood for warmth or roast marshmallows for a sweet treat and prevents large logs from falling apart. Thanks to its drafting design, this Chiminea also burns the firewood clean and bright with less smoke and ash. The Chiminea has durable cast aluminum construction that is built to last longer and adds a touch of elegance to your backyard. It even comes with a removable 9 grilling cooking grate for outdoor wood cooking. Assembly is a breeze even for beginners, and the lightweight design with handles on both sides makes it easy to move around. It also includes 12 two-piece cast iron bottom grates to support fire without placing sand on it, a carbon stainless steel screen, and a wood poker tool to open the door and stir wood safely for added convenience. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Get ready to enjoy the warmth and ambience of a beautiful fire with the Blue Rooster Prairie Fire Chiminea. Overall, this Blue Rooster Company Chiminea is a high-end, durable option that brings the campfire to the backyard and creates ambience. However, it comes with the drawback of a flimsy screen door and is a bit expensive. Number 3. BH&GCO Chiminea. Better Homes and Gardens Company, BH&GCO, manufactures a wide range of decoration pieces, including chimeneas. This Chiminea creates a relaxing warmth in your outdoor space, making it a great option to use for your backyard patio/garden. Featuring a wire mesh covering, the chimney offers a 360 degrees great view of the inside fire on all sides. Its large size will create a soothing ambience in the lounge area to enjoy your social life, while its curled legs give a traditional touch. It is made of heavy-duty, durable cast iron, and its nylon cover protects the chimney from rain or any possible moisture. Another great feature is its black and bronze finish that provides an antique and unique look. Since all its parts are clearly labeled, anyone can easily assemble this chimney at home. Additionally, this wood-burning fire pit comes with a mesh screen cover, wood log storage, and fire poker. It also comes with a 1-year-long manufacturer's warranty for its peaceful operation. Overall, this BH&GCO cast iron Chiminea is an exceptional option that offers the essential warmth required to spend the best evening with your friends and family. However, the main drawback of this Chiminea is it is a bit heavier, making it quite hard to move around the outdoor space, and has a flimsy door. So, it's better to assemble them where you want to use them. Number 4. Sunny Days Chiminea. Our next recommendation is the impressive Cosmic 42 Chiminea from Sunny Days, a well-established brand that has been producing indoor and outdoor products for several years. This Chiminea combines modern and cultural elements, making it a stylish addition to any house decor. With a large diameter, this fire pit is perfect for gatherings in a garden, patio, or yard. Its metal celestial design is made of durable steel with a rustic patina-colored finish and high-temperature paint to withstand high heat and resist rust. The portable and compact design with moon and star cutouts adds to its decorative appeal. The fire pit comes with a metal round spark screen that offers safety from flying burning sparks, enabling people to enjoy the warmth of the fire peacefully during cold evenings. The integrated wood grate ensures better airflow, while the poker tool controls the flame and lifts the mesh screen protector. Assembling this Chiminea is just a breeze. You only need to attach the outer rim and 3 legs to savor the warmth in your camping or backyard. Additionally, the manufacturer offers a 1-year warranty to ensure peace of mind during its operation. Overall, Sunnyday's Cosmic 42 Chiminea impresses everyone with its aesthetic design, sturdiness, lightweight, easy to maneuver, and ease to assemble that effectively provide warmth for a large gathering. It does have the drawback of being a bit expensive and might get rust upon regular usage over time. Number 5. Char Home Chiminea. Looking for a great way to stay warm and cook food while enjoying the outdoors? Look no further than the Char Home Large Fire Pits Chiminea. This modern Chiminea is perfect for garden, backyard, patio, camping trips, beach parties, RV travels, or family evenings. This multipurpose Chiminea is made of high-quality, durable stainless steel with heat-resistant paint and a black finish, which makes it perfect for daily use. Its weatherproof fire tower design ensures that it will hold up even in harsh weather conditions. Its assembly is quick and easy, and the double tray design allows for the quick addition of fuel and cleaning out the ash. The square fire pit features a round wire mesh screen design, providing a 360 degrees view of the fire from every direction. The spark guard with diamond cutouts ensures proper airflow, while the cooking grate can be used as a camping stove for quick meals. And when it's time to clean up, simply pour leaves or other debris into the fire bowl for easy disposal. Get ready to enjoy the great outdoors with the Char Home Large Fire Pits Chiminea. Overall, Char Home Outdoor Backyard Chiminea is an excellent product with reliable features that make it the most preferred option by numerous people. However, it has a drawback of dented parts, making it a bit difficult to assemble and a low warranty period. Number 6. K-Home Chiminea. Introducing Deckmate Sonora 30199 from K-Home, a perfect decor that elevates the aesthetics of your backyard or patio with its antique-looking decor. The cast-iron construction makes this chimney strong and durable. The exterior of this fire pit is painted evenly with a high-temperature resistant finish to prevent rust and thereby make it functional and attractive. Its large sliding door allows the user to add fuel and manage the fire, while its ash catcher will clean up the mesh easily and quickly. This Chiminea's fine wire mesh spark screen will provide a complete 360 degrees view of the fire, irrespective of your sitting place. Also, it comes with a log grate and fire tool to stoke the log fires and provide a sustaining airflow. Compared to the previous model, this Chiminea is a bit larger and heats larger spaces by burning wood and artificial logs for a long time. Furthermore, the assembly of this Chiminea won't take much time. It is easy to assemble and start using this fire pit right after its proper assembling. Overall, K-Home Deckmate Sonora Outdoor Chiminea has sturdy and attractive cast-iron construction with rustic appeal and comes with all accessories required for easy fuel addition and cleanup. Its spacious interior will burn the wood for a bit longer time. However, it is worth noticing that a flimsy log grate might be prone to breakage with typical use. Number 7. Bali Outdoors Chiminea. Let's start our list with Bali Outdoors, a well-known brand for patio accessories like chimneys. This particular Chiminea from Bali Outdoors is an excellent choice because of its affordability, versatility, and impressive performance. It boasts a classic design with an antique touch, perfect for adding a touch of charm to your outdoor space. Made from heavy-duty cast iron, this Chiminea comes with a blackened steel mesh around the center and a steel log grate, ensuring proper airflow and steady burning. The circular round wire mesh screening offers a 360 degrees view and essential warmth, but storing the Chiminea during the off-season is important to prevent rust and corrosion. This Chiminea can be used with both real firewood and artificial logs, and it's easy to add fuel or clear out the ash through the sliding door and ashtray. With its 4 sturdy iron legs, this fireplace is durable and secure, offering long-lasting performance. Assembly is quick and easy with the DIY installation option, and the Chiminea comes with additional accessories like a fully open mesh cage, a built-in ashtray for storing small logs, a poker for easy cleaning, and a chimney lid. Plus, the round roof and rain cap on the chimney ensures that smoke-stung eyes are a thing of the past. Overall, the Bali Outdoors Chiminea Outdoor Fireplace Wooden Fire Pit is small and compact, yet powerful, durable, easy to assemble, heat resistance, and long-lasting Chiminea, making it the best value for money. However, its cast iron construction requires protection from external elements to get rid of rust and also has poor paint quality that will flake off over time upon regular usage.